The Daily Code Snippet. So now let's look at audio file formats. Sound quality is a key issue and is best preserved with lossless file formats. Lossless file formats include .flac, .wac, or .aiff. These equal or are better than CD quality, but they are also huge files. So from a web standpoint, we have to look at different file formats. These include .mp3, .m4a, and .aac. Because of cross-browser compatibility issues, the most flexible formats are .mp3 and .mp4, which are supported by all modern browsers and even older ones such as Internet Explorer 9. .ogg, .webm, .aac, and .wav also have decent browser compatibility. .mp3 files are arguably the most popular audio format. Quality and size can be adjusted with the bit rate. To understand bit rate, we have to look at sample rate and bit depth. We will look at this in the next video. Presented by Designers Learn Code.